With the government shutdown in place, USDA is unlikely to publish the supply-demand report this week. As a result, we're going to change gears this week and look at the trends in December corn futures. We're also going to look at corn harvest progress and weather trends here in the U.S. We're going to wrap things up with an update on Brazilian planting progress. Hi, this is Brian Bastine with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We've moved in the month of October here, and it's time for corn harvest. Now, the USDA is unlikely to publish their supply-demand report, which was scheduled to be released on Thursday, October 9th. As a result, we're going to shift gears this week. We're going to focus on, first, trends in December corn futures. Let's take a look at that chart. Now, it's highlighted here in the light yellow part of the slide. We're in the harvest crop insurance period now for December corn futures. December corn is trading near $4.20 a bushel. Here's a critical message as you get into harvest or wrap up harvest. We strongly encourage you to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to have your risk management positions in place for your 2025 production as the month of October wraps up. Now, as I said, the USDA is shut down this week due to the government shutdown. What we did was take a look at the history of the corn harvest progress in the U.S. Let's take a look at that. We put an estimate in here this week, our best estimate as of October 5th. We're at about 29% harvested here in the U.S. Over the next 2 weeks, from October 5th to the 19th, U.S. corn harvest progress increases approximately 29%. So, weather permitting, by that 19th of October, we should be looking at corn harvest nationwide between 55 to 60%. Of course, that pace of corn harvest will be directly related to weather. Let's take a look at the short-term trends. Our slides this week are courtesy of National Weather Service. We're looking here later this week. We're taping on Tuesday of this week. We're looking ahead now to Friday and Saturday. Notice there's very little rainfall across the Midwest, maybe a little bit across the heart of the belt, but just scattered showers. Let's move ahead now to Sunday to Monday. Again, a little heavier in that western part of the belt. As you move further east, very little rain though. Now we shift gears to next week. National Weather Service 6 to 10 day forecast. Now this is a change. We're looking ahead to October 12th to the 16th. A lot of green on that map there. Above normal precip. So it looks like we're going to have a window of harvest opportunity here later this week, into the weekend, maybe early next week, but it does look like some rain is on the way. Let's shift gears now and look at the 30-day forecast for the month of October. The USDA came out here at the end of September and forecast precipitation for the month of October. You can see across the western belt, mainly equal chances of above or below normal. However, as you move across Illinois and the eastern belt, it looks like it's going to be drier than normal for that region. Let's wrap things up this week looking at trends in planting progress in Brazil. Now, as we get into full-scale corn harvest progress here in the U.S., it's full-scale first corn planting progress in Brazil. First corn production in Brazil usually accounts for 20 to 25% of total production. And they're about 29% planted as of the first week in October. So we'll monitor that for you moving forward. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 309-664-2300. We'll put you in contact with our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an update. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.